Some hands.
I don't even know what it does.
It gives you like free delivery.
Yeah.
It like messes
That's
up,
not worth
like,
it. No, but
I'm about to make either a smoothie or I'm gonna make an acai bowl, so stay tuned. Appreciate y'all. Let me see. This is part of my training. I'm here about to make an acai bowl or a smoothie. Got to throw the gloves on. See, I got my shirt today. Looking official. This is not my store. My store is gonna be located in Brooklyn, 90 Bourbon Place, downtown Brooklyn. So doing some training right now. The ladies behind me are helping me, teaching me, and I'm getting comfortable with it. It's definitely a lot of fun. Stay tuned. All right, can somebody order something, either a smoothie or an acai bowl? No toast, that's a little too simple. So maybe if y'all hungry, if you know, my treat.
why don't you do one of the PB smoothies so you can do that swirl?
Absolutely.
You want to do a PB&J? Because you made the chocolate PB.
Yep, PB&J smoothie coming up.
PB&J. Sorry.
No, it's no problem. We're just gonna pause a minute. We got a customer coming in, so we're gonna take care of customers first, and then we continue with this. Y'all can run to the bathroom, go shopping, come back.
Just like a fun thing for the community.
All right, we are back. We are making a PB&J. All right. We are adding some coconut, no, excuse me, some almond milk. Let me make sure. Yep, they're doing some almond milk. I'm not gonna tell you how much. Secret recipe. Boom. All right, the next ingredient is bananas and strawberries. Boom. Got our bananas here, frozen bananas, just in case you was wondering. Fresh frozen strawberries, if I didn't mention that, and everything is fresh. Boom. Next up, we have some grass-fed protein. Got to get your protein, ladies and gentlemen. Boom. Next up, we got the peanut butter. This should bring this over here. Let's see what the next beautiful ingredient is. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, coconut butter. Boom. Okay. Pistachio, coconut butter. Looks good to me. I got that 3-second count of honey. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. And we're gonna add some honey to this. We're gonna grab the top. And use number 2, smooth and thick and creamy, blah blah. Number 2. All right, cool. We got I believe it said number 2, I'm sorry, excuse me. Just want to make sure, yep. Boom, grab this. Boom, Puregreen, baby, this is where it's at. Peanut butter jelly. And just in case y'all was wondering, I'm not gonna tell you the amount, but we have here some almond milk, banana, strawberries, some grass-fed wheat, some peanut butter, coconut butter, and some honey. Hello, how you doing?
Wait, the cup.
The what?
Peanut butter.
Oh, that's right. Yes, yes. Almost forgot that ingredient. Yes, that's important. That right? Cool. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Yes, that's the most important part. How are we gonna forget the peanut butter? Check out the technique. Boom, check out the technique. Gotta make it look pretty. Appearance is everything, even with food.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Swirl.
Right, we got a little food porn going over here. Boom, there you have it. Look how pretty that look. Then you top it off. Boom, this is for myself. Enjoy. Thanks for tuning in.